Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for personalized nutrition coaching business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Now enter your website or your business type. Personalized nutrition coaching. So let's choose this for example. Enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you wanna add your business address. So let's continue. Set your default working hours. uh, Here if you wanna add some services, add your staff. And here what else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, send automated emails and SMS reminders, sell digital and physical products. So I'm gonna choose them all. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now enter your information, your business name, your email, your address and your phone. If you wanna add social link, so let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now pick your favorite homepage. Now add page to your site if you wanna add some page. Now your site is up and running. Now your site is ready. So if you want to edit more your website, click or go to the editor. So this is your home page website. This is the the settings of your website. Now if you want to add elements, click here. So the first element here is the text elements. If you wanna, here you can select the size or the form of the text you want. Here you find the titles and the paragraphs. Now let's move on to the image elements. So if you want to import image or upload image, if you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. Here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons and the image buttons, documents and the item button. Here you find the payments buttons. Here if you wanna add some payments buttons on your home page, the PayPal buttons. So you have to add something from this button on your home page at any place you want. Now let's move on to the strip elements. Here you find classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials and team. So you have to select any one of these and put it on at any place you want on your home page. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows and the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. We find the vector ads, the featured, icons, animals and nature, logos and the badges and characters. You find the video elements, the video box and the video mask and transparent video. Now let's move on to the box elements. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes and the over boxes and the tabs. Now let's move on to the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you wanna add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you wanna show more galleries. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. Here find your menus. Here the themed menus. the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. Also here you find the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. And the last here is the search, the site search. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find all the forms you have to add on your homepage, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, and the waiver forms and subscribe forms. Here the Google Maps if you want to add normal maps, or if you want to add some full width maps. Here you find the chats, the Wix chats, and the line button. Now let's move on to the video and the music elements. Here if you want to add some single video players, or Wix video, or video box, or video mask, or transparent video. Here you find the music elements, the audio players, Wix Music and SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive. Here if you wanna edit the slideshows, the full width slideshows, or the boxes slideshows. Here you find the light boxes, the boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. And the last here is the repeaters, the hover repeaters. So let's move on to the list elements. Here you find the repeaters, the hover repeaters, and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Here you find the embed code if you wanna custom some popular embeds, if you wanna add some single video players, if you wanna edit your audio elements, SoundCloud player, or Spotify player, or iTunes button. And here you find the advanced elements, the marketing tools, or the VeloDev mode, and the animation elements. The last here. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars, select any social bar from here. If you want to add Facebook link, or Twitter, or Pinterest, or VK, or Line, or YouTube link, you can add it on your homepage at any place you want. Now let's move on to the payments. Here you find the payments section, the payments buttons, the payments forms, and the pricing plans, and the store. If you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Also here you can can manage your store section, the bookings. Here you find the bookings elements, the related elements, and the pricing plans. The events here if you want to create and manage events, community if you want to add the members area, and the last is your designs. So that's it. Now if you want to add section, click here, select any section from here you want to add on your home page. You're gonna add it on your home page, easy and quick. Now let's move on to the page. If you want to add some page on your home page, so here you can add home page, or add page on your website. Now let's move on to the here. If you wanna design your site, here you can customize your site design. If you wanna edit the color theme, or the text theme, or the page background, or the page transitions. Now here if you wanna edit, if you wanna add apps, if you wanna manage your business, here if you wanna upload your media, or edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, here if you wanna use the CMS, if you wanna easily manage your site content, and here the marketing and SEO if you wanna manage the Google ads, or the Facebook ads, or the SEO, or the social media marketing, or the marketing integrations. So that's it for today. Now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.